Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. When you bring your vehicle to Vatland Honda's brand new 65,000 square foot energy efficient facility, you'll find comparable pricing. Plus, a deluxe lounge center, complete with flat screen TVs and comfortable leather sofas. An internet cafe with free Wi-Fi. A video game arcade center to keep the kids entertained while you wait. An inventory of over 25,000 parts and accessories in stock. Call, click, or come in for more information on our price match guarantee. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.